Hello everyone. My name is Paul and welcome to my YouTube channel. And here I'm starting a new playlist on Python. These days, Python has become so demanded that it is getting used in almost every sector, from starting from data science to machine learning to software development to web development, data engineering, and many more. In the field of electronics, robotics, then artificial intelligence, also in IoT, Internet of Things, IIoT, industrial IoT, we used to call it. So in almost every sector, there is a need of Python developer. And if you are a beginner, if you have learned basics of programming, then Python is a very good language to start with to learn advanced programming skills using data structures, algorithms, and many more libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, SkyPy, Scapy, Scikit-learn. There are many more libraries which are getting used in different fields. So I believe that being a Python developer, you should know how to proceed. What are the roadmaps? What are the topics you should know? And that's why I'm starting this playlist, because being a Python developer, I also understand that what are the challenges you are going to face, what are the ladders which you will be facing. So I can help you out. So that's why I'm creating this playlist. I hope it would be helpful for all of you. Stay connected with me. Try to follow this playlist, and if any kind of problem is there, let me know in the comment section, and I will try to address that in the next video. Okay, so this is the introductory video. In the next video, we are going to install Python in our PC, and also we are going to set up the environment so that it would be much more easier for you to understand how to develop things using Python from the scratch. Okay, so this much for today. See you in the next video.